Hi scholars, welcome back to Math Missions with Miss Johnson. I am Miss Johnson and we are ready for our math mission today. Now, today you are going to need something to write on, like a piece of paper, and you're going to need something to write with, like a pencil or a marker or anything that you can write with, and you are going to need some objects to count with, okay? So you can pick blocks, crayons, Cheerios, Fruit Loops, rice, cotton balls, anything that you can count with. Today I have some soup crackers and we are going to be doing number bonds with our objects, okay? So go ahead and pause this video, go find your objects and come back and meet me, okay? All right, so we are gonna go ahead and get started. And today's math mission is super simple. What you're going to do is, first you're gonna watch me. I'm gonna take some objects and I am going to make a number bond to show how I want to separate my objects. And then I'm going to release you to do the same, and you are gonna send me a picture of what you used, so your object, and send me a picture of your number bond, okay? So here we go. I have my paper and my pen, and I'm gonna take some soup crackers. I don't know how many I want to use yet. I think 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I got 10 soup crackers on my board. It's kind of hard to see, but I have 10 soup crackers on my board. So when you have your objects, you're going to get all 10 of your things, and you are going to put them flat on a flat surface in front of you. Make sure you put them all together. So who can guess what number will go in my hole? If I have 10 objects all together, what number is going to go in my hole? It's going to be 10, exactly. Now this is the fun part. To figure out what number goes in my parts, it's up to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 on this side, and the rest I'm going to slide over to this side. So remember, at the beginning, you had all 10 of your objects in the center, all 10. Then, and actually, so you have all 10 of your objects just like that. Now I'm going to slide 2 to one side and leave the rest on the other side. So in order to do my number bond, I need to know how many are on this side and how many are on this side. So I know that I have 2, so the number 2 is going to be in one of my parts, and I know that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on this side. That means 2 and 8 are going to be my parts. Excellent job. Now we are going to do our number bond. Or you're going to help me do my number bond first before you do yours. So I'm going to draw a number bond. I have a whole and 2 parts. A whole and 2 parts. What number is going to go in the whole? Do you remember? Let's think. How many crackers did I have all together? That's right, I had 10. Good job, 10. Then for my parts, I have to think how many were in one side and how many were on the other. I separated mine into 2 and 8. So I know that 8 and 2 makes 10 all together. You see how easy that was? So now this is what I want you to do. Grab 10 of anything at your house. 10 crayons, 10 pennies, 10 grapes, 10 beans, anything that you can find. I want you to find 10 things, and I want you to put 10 in your hole. Then you are going to decide how many do you want to slide over into one part And how many are you going to slide over into your other part? You do not have to do 2 and 8 like me. There are so many different ways that you can break 10 apart. So get 10, put it in your hole, and then slide some over here and slide the rest over there. Make sure that none of your objects are left outside. Make sure that all of your objects end up in this house or this house. I can't wait to see your pictures. Good luck.